The band TLC once told us to not go chasing waterfalls, but I'm not someone who's going to listen. Don't tell me what to do. I will not stick to the rivers and the lakes that I'm used to. Today we're going waterfall hunting in North Carolina. Are you ready, buddy? You ready to go waterfall hunting? All right, you two, come on, let's go. So we have been deep in the Chattahoochee National Forest here in North Georgia for the last 4 days on a river. It's been absolutely stellar, loved it, but it's time to move on. We're moving on to North Carolina today, to a town called Highlands where I'd like to stop and get some coffee. It's about an hour and a half away. I think there's one waterfall along the way. And there's about 2 or 3 waterfalls that we want to go check out on the way up to where we're camping tonight on a lake in North Carolina. All right, we'll catch you guys on the first waterfall.
I've been sinking like a stone, Carolina, take me home. Nothing's ever really broken, and I won't let you go. 'Cause I'm finding my way right back to you. Yeah, I'll find my way back to you.
Another day, another state. Welcome to North Carolina, friends. This is an area called Highlands, North Carolina, and we're at our first waterfall. All right, buddy, hang on. So this first one of the day is called Glen Falls, and I have not seen pictures. I just saw it on a map and decided we had to go. I also don't know how long this hike is. Maybe I should look at that. You are here. Glen Falls is there. That doesn't look far. Oh my God, look at the spiders. All right, buddy, you ready? I freaking love waterfalls. All waterfalls. And I know North Carolina, especially this area, is kind of famous for them. There's about 3 or 4 that I want to go see today, I think. But we're just going to continue to not do what TLC said. And we are going to go chasing waterfalls today. So come on, let's go check out Glen Falls. Going down steps with him is such a pain because he's always pulling. But going upstairs, however, it's nice because he drags me up. Well, I hear the river. That's a good sign. Looks like there's a little outlook here. Let's go check it out, buddy. Nice. Is this it? That's gotta be it. Oh, look at that. Well, the trail keeps going, so shall we. Maybe there's a different vantage point. Let's go see. Ooh. Okay. I'm glad we kept going. Wow. Do you want to drink of water first? Okay. Oh God.
Another one down there.
Yeah, that's the one we just came from.
On this corner over here.
Right?
Go over in this corner where you can see.
All right.
See that railing in that corner?
I do see it. That's where that must be where the trail split. We missed that one.
I walked out on these rocks and upstream a little bit, and there was 4 coming down. You can't see it good from
Right.
there, but walked out on the walk right,
Yeah.
to see it right there. The split.
Awesome, I appreciate it.
Once you're going down that trench, there's a couple more creeks, and I'll go to the same place.
Awesome. Have a good one, guys. Uh-huh. All right, buddy, stop. Come on. Come on, psycho. Why? Come on. 7 months I've been at home in Florida working. Not once did I get on a stair stepper or a treadmill. I could have been training for this. I could have been so trained, I could have been in such good shape. Man, going up has a lot of steps. This is the split in the path that Father Time just told us about. Let's go see this. I hear it. Oh, it's the top of it. Oh, cool. It's the very top. Neat little side quest. All right, more stairs. This is another dog. Morning. Take notes, buddy. Take notes.
Have a good one.
Thank you, too. I love that. What a great start. But I am sweaty. Hoodie was a bad choice. Sweaty. Gross. Alright, fresh change of clothes. Air conditioning's on. That was a great hike, but just like anything like that, get there early. That parking lot was packed when we were leaving. Packed. Alright, next stop, I need coffee. I need coffee so much. And breakfast. I'm so hungry. I'm ready to eat. So we're gonna go into the town of, I think it's Highlands. I think it's the Town of Highlands. I saw a coffee shop I want to go check out. Let's go, buddy. Do you want some coffee too? Do you want some coffee? Not yet. Oh, there is some money in this town. Also, it's high. It's like 4,400 feet of elevation. I think we're going to walk around and explore a little bit. What do you think, buddy? Let me get some coffee first. I'll be right back, dude.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. And yourself?
Good.
What's up, little doggos?
Yeah. Hello.
Hi, I'm good. And yourself?
Doing good. What can I get for?
We'll do a bacon, egg, and cheese croissant and a medium coffee. Room for cream.
All right, and what's a good name for this?
Johnny?
All right. Coffee and the rest will be out in just a minute.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Hey, you guys. Earl Grey tea, hot water, food. John? Buddy, I didn't get you anything. I'm sorry. All right, let's see what we got from Calder's Cafe here in Highlands, North Carolina. Bacon, egg, and cheese. It's very small. It's okay. Could be good. It's okay. It looks like we have a new driver. You gonna drive, buddy? Do you want a bite? Egg and cheese. See, even he's not feeling it. Calder's. Well, this town just looks too cool to not go explore it. So let's go walk around, buddy. Let's go see what we got. He just always wants to go into every shop. He's such a shopaholic. Town. Is this supposed to be a secret? Okay, that was fun and all. Cool little town. Like getting out and exploring. But that's not our mission today. Oh no, we're chasing things. We're chasing dreams. That's right, we're chasing waterfalls. Well, it's not much of one, but this is Bridal Veil Falls. And what's cool is I'm underneath it right now. What else is cool is you could drive to it. That's the road right there. Looks like you could probably drive through it or drive under it. It's neat. That was a fun little pit stop on our way to another waterfall.
We're gonna chase them all here. It's pretty cool back here, though. That was fun. Well, this one seems like it's gonna be a lot more crowded, a lot more popular. It even has its own bathrooms. I'm sorry, buddy. Not this time. All right, let's go check out Dry Falls.
I see it already.
Oh, cool, you can walk behind it. Sweet. No wonder it's more popular. That's awesome. Very pretty. Look at that. There is nothing dry about those falls. Man, that's pretty. All right, let's go walk behind this thing. Wait, what? That is so cool. My glasses are wet. My phone is wet. Camera's wet. So worth it. Nothing dry about it. And that, TLC, is why you should always go chasing waterfalls. Never, ever stick to the lakes and the rivers that you're used to. Chase waterfalls. That was so much fun. That's my favorite one. That's my favorite one. All right, I gotta get back to little dude. We both have separation anxiety. Gotta go find some supplies, and I'm getting a little bit of anxiety about not having camp. I have nothing reserved, we're just gonna show up to places. But it's Thursday, it's the right day to do it. So we're gonna go up a little bit further north into North Carolina. Did you protect this van? Good boy. Dry Falls, man. That was awesome. What a good day of waterfall hunting. We gotta find camp. Not that it's late in the day, it's early afternoon, but we still have some driving to do. Let me see how far. These drives today, man, have been absolutely stellar. I mean, curvy, windy roads through the mountains, elevation gains, losses. It is, man, it's been a pleasure to drive through. Nothing scary, nothing white knuckle, just great driving, just scenic driving. And I keep seeing all of these signs that say, everyone must burn headlights. I've never heard that expression before, must burn headlights? I've heard turn headlights on, I never heard burn headlights. I guess that's what they say here in the hills of North Carolina. Well, buddy, we did it. We found camp. We've been driving for so long. I'm tired of driving. In this national forest, there's all kinds of free camping, but you have to park right along the main road, which kind of sucks. So I decided to go to a pay campground where there's nobody here. And it's a national forest campground, so it's gonna be super cheap. But look at this. 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 Look at this
I mean, come on, would you look at that? That was the main road that I was telling you about. There's traffic. We're gonna hear some traffic. But look at this spot. I have so much time right there. King of the campground. What do you have? Good boy. I love it here. You? Maybe it's just because I'm so tired of driving. I don't know, I think I love it here. I mean, there is not one other person in this campground, which is a little surprising because it's like right on the river. It's beautiful. But like I said, there is a lot of free camping on this road in this area. The Nantahala National Forest is where we're at. It's called Horse Cove Campground if you're interested. It's a National Forest campground. It's $15. It's not bad. We ended the evening making some udon noodles and Thai peanut sauce, which was freaking delicious. Of course, playing ball and had a cocktail by the river to unwind. What an absolutely incredible day exploring and chasing waterfalls. I realized we only scratched the surface of the waterfalls in the area, but the ones we got to see were just outstanding. I love waterfalls. There's just something powerful about witnessing nature being created right in front of our eyes. To see the river relentlessly carve its way through stone, to imagine what the past looked like, to see it in its current form, and to imagine what it'll look like in the future. There's probably a metaphor there somewhere about our own self, looking in the mirror, seeing how time has carved each one of us. It's inspiring to take the form of that relentless river and form our future self for the better. Until next time, be relentless. Don't let anyone ever tell you not to follow your dreams, especially if that dream is to go chasing waterfalls. Choose kindness always, and keep exploring life with an open mind.
All this time you thought we'd never pay the price. In the game of love, you have to roll the dice. And my heart got 7 years to life. I got 7 years to life.
So if you guys appreciate this content and what it takes to make it, oh, that's my balls. I'd really appreciate if you give this video a like. If you like this content, give me a follow. I'm cool, we're cool. And if you really, really like this, I do have a Patreon page where you can chip in a few bucks a month, or a little more than that if you'd like. You can help buy Wyatt some balls, or you can get some postcards from the road that I take with this camera and print it out just for you. And that's all I have to say about that. All right, onwards. Ow. I shouldn't still be filming this, buddy. This isn't pretty for anyone involved.